give the cuffs the final pressing. As you can see, I have stitched them and notched the rounded curves of the cuff that is necessary in order to get the cuff to turn and have a smooth edge after it's been sewn. So the way you do that is just clip into the seam allowances with your scissors. You don't want to go through the stitching, but you want to get rather close to it. And then when you turn it, like so, you'll get a nice smooth edge there. So now we're ready to press. These cuffs, and you want to work the seam allowance so that when you're pressing right on the very edge, so you don't have any extra fabric hanging over there. And always use a press cloth when you're working with wool. Spritz it with your water from your iron. Steam it. And finish with the tailor's clap for a few seconds. And you get a beautiful, nice smooth edge to your cuff. So now we'll do the other side. Okay, there it is. And it's ready for top stitching.